Okay, before we start, I would like you to go get 4 colored pencils, red, yellow, green, blue. And I'm going to pause it for a sec and we'll come right back. Okay, so now we're going to color them in. The adjacent angles are red, and they are these two. Okay. And then you can color in the box red. Okay. And then the next one is the 90-degree complementary angle. And this one is right here. And you can color in the box yellow. Okay. The next one is the vertical, which is green, which is right here. And that one are these two that to me remind me of a twist tie candy. But we all see things differently. And then we're going to color the green box in, the vertical box green. Okay? And then we have the last angle. It's called the supplementary. And we're going to color that one blue. Okay, so that's the blue, and then we're going to color in the box blue. Now that we know what they look like, I'm going to give you the definitions. So the adjacent, they share the common vertex and side. So here, the red, this is the vertex, this inside angle, and they share that, and they're side by side, okay? The complementary